So I'm installing Chart.js library using command npm install chart.js. This library includes the Chart.js auto module, which simplifies the usage of Chart.js by automatically registering all the required components. Chart.js has a modular architecture, which typically requires explicit registration of chart types, controllers, scales, and plugins. However, the Chart.js auto module eliminates this need, streamlining the setup process. Let's start checking code for sales chart.js. Here, I have imported React with two hooks. First is use ref to create a mutable reference that persists across renders. And second is use effect to run side effects after component renders. Next, I've imported the chart.js/auto library. Now, sale chart named functional React component is declared. In this component, the variable chart ref holds a reference to the canvas DOM element where the chart will be rendered. The variable chart instance tracks the instance of the chart.js chart. This allows us to update or clean up the chart instance when needed. Here we are setting up a side effect using the useEffect hook. This runs only once when the component is rendered, thanks to the empty dependency array. Here we access the 2D drawing context of the canvas element using chart ref current. This is necessary because Chart.js uses this context to draw the chart. If the context isn't available, the function exits early with if not ctx return. Using this code, if there's already a chart instance, we destroy it. This prevents multiple overlapping charts from being created when the component re-renders. Here, we are creating a new chart instance and passing details such as context. This is the 2D drawing context we retrieved earlier. Chart type, set as a bar chart. Data includes labels, week 1, week 2, etc., and datasets for 3 months of sales, each represented with unique colors. Options. Responsive makes the chart adapt to different screen sizes. Maintain aspect ratio disables the default aspect ratio for better layout control. Scales ensures the y-axis starts at 0 for accurate visualization. These configurations help us render a clear and dynamic bar chart for sales data. This return statement ensures that when the component is removed, the chart instance is destroyed. This avoids memory leaks and ensures that resources are cleaned up properly. And this return statement returns a div tag containing a canvas element. The ref on the canvas connects it to the chart.js instance. This export default sales chart makes the sales chart component available for import into other files. Let's import the sales chart component into our dashboard page. Here, I have imported the sales chart component. Next, before the closing tag of the last div, I have added a div tag with the class name charts container. Inside this div, I have added another div with the class name sales chart container, which holds the sales chart component. And here in the dashboard CSS file, I have added code for the charts container class, where displayFlex is used to set the container to a flexbox layout. This ensures that its children align and distribute efficiently along the main axis. Below this, in the sales chart container class, I have added a light purple background color, rounded the corners of the container with an 8-pixel border radius, and applied a shadow effect beneath the container to create a sense of depth. Let's take a look at the sales chart on our dashboard page.